we are on our third campaign type. We've been over hashtag tracking campaigns and post suggestion campaigns. All of these campaigns, again, are designed to help you mobilize your community of brand ambassadors, to help you promote your offers, to help you reach more people, and to help you grow your business through brand ambassadors. In this video, we're going to go over manual submission or open submission campaigns. This is a brand new campaign type. We just released this last week as of the time of this video, so like first week of June 2020. Ooh, you're in the future. Cool. In open submission campaigns, this is a very flexible tool, which again, it will let you mobilize your ambassadors for taking almost any action anywhere, as long as they can prove it with a screenshot or a file upload or a link. Okay, so think about what that means. We don't currently, for example, have a YouTube connection or a TikTok API connection, or we don't integrate with blogs, or if you want people to post up posters around campus or set up a table for your organization on campus. These are all activities that you could conceivably want your ambassadors to do. You can probably think of some activities. Once you have a huge group of ambassadors that are engaged and ready to take action, why just limit them to social media campaigns on CrewFire, or just the existing social media campaigns? So with open submission campaigns, you could say, for example, table an event on campus and upload the screenshot to this CrewFire campaign, and they would upload it as a file. Or you could say, make a YouTube video, make a YouTube review, and upload it to YouTube and post the link to this campaign. Or you could say, if you have an Amazon listing, and you could say, leave a 5-star review and leave a review and comment on the listing, and take a screenshot, upload it to CrewFire. You can go on and on. TikTok, you could say, post a TikTok with our product, take a screenshot of it, and upload it to the campaign to earn points. You set, let me go to the next screen here. You set how many points you want your ambassadors to be able to earn per submission. And then on their end, they get, again, an email and a text message giving them the campaign details and the instructions, and then also giving them the opportunity to make uploads or to share the link. And then on your end, you can approve or reject the submissions. So you'll see on these open submission campaigns, you're going to see a backlog of content or posts that have been submitted, and then you can approve or reject them. And so it's a very open and flexible way for you, again, to mobilize your ambassadors to take any action anywhere. It can be on it can be on the internet, it can be on social media, or it can be in the real world, as long as they can prove it with a photo or a screenshot or an image or a link, and they can upload that proof to the campaign for your approval. So that is the third kind of campaign, open submission campaigns. Last but not least, in terms of campaigns, we have Instagram engagement campaigns. This is one of my favorites, so check that out in the next video.